Introducing the NUR LED Bullet Spotlight. The 7-watt bullet landscape light is a versatile low-voltage spotlight designed for outdoor lighting. Conveniently operates on both AC or DC at 12 volts or 24 volts. It offers efficiency, adaptability, and a sleek finish in bronze or black that complements a variety of outdoor designs. Our bullet spotlight is made with premium materials like die-cast aluminum, energy-efficient LEDs, and a robust half-inch adjustable knuckle mount system. It also features 5 adjustable color temperatures from 2700K to 5000K, toggled by a convenient push button. With a focused 36 degrees beam angle, it delivers 500 to 550 lumens, making it ideal for enhancing pathways, steps, and yards. Constructed with a durable aluminum housing, NUR LED bullet spotlights are ETL certified for wet locations, ensuring reliable performance in a variety of weather conditions. To find the new LED bullet spotlight and our other innovative lighting solutions, visit ledcityusa.com.